Tom Connery, and welcome to Science of the Universe.
Have you ever wondered how the Earth and the universe were created? I said,
have you ever wondered how the Earth and the universe were created?
Good. Now let's begin.
13.7 billion years ago, our universe existed only as a tiny, dense speck called a singularity. For some unknown reasons, this speck began to rapidly expand to the size and density of our universe. In 1929, Edwin Hubble, an astronomer, discovered conclusive evidence that the universe is expanding. Although we have no proof that the universe was ever a densely packed speck, Hubble's observations led to many new theories about our origins.
This video showed what we call the Big Bang Theory, created by Sir Isaac Newton, the same man who thought of the principle of gravity.
My name is Professor Collins, and I'm here to explain the complexity of universal gravity. At first, universal gravity was thought to be the concept of how the planets revolved around each other, later disproven by Sir Isaac Newton. Little did he know that he was right the first time. What really happened was gravity was causing the planets to move around each other. But what Isaac Newton couldn't explain was, since the planets were moving around each other, why weren't they crashing into each other?
Sir Isaac Newton discovered universal gravitation when an apple dropped from a tree and landed on him. The law states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force directed along the line of centers for the two objects that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the separation between the two objects. All that science jargon means one thing. The closer you are to something, and the bigger it is, the more it will pull you towards it. So why don't pens just stick to your hands from gravity? Remember, we're standing on a giant planet that pulls anything and everything towards it. Earth's gravity is more powerful than yours, so the pen drops to the floor. Hey, I wonder if astronauts can make paper clips orbit them.
Imagine that this here balloon represents the universe during the Big Bang. The air that he's blowing in the balloon represents the Big Bang. You'll see it slowly expand. Now think of the universe as a much larger balloon, so large that it's been growing for billions of years. See how the balloon is expanding? Well, in the universe and the planets coming together, the planets cancel out each other so that the planets don't drift away.
This is like the universe before the Big Bang, small and compact. If I were to throw this against the ground, then it would be just like the Big Bang actually happening.
This is dense and compact, and so if it were to be spread out, it would be like the planets spreading out in the universe.
One and a two and a 1, 2, 3.
Have you ever wondered how the Earth and the universe were created? I said, have you ever wondered how the Earth and the universe were created? How the Earth and the universe were created. Yeah! Universe